So guys, itong fountain ng Tanger Outlet Mall with aking model, Miss Madam Myra. There you go. Nice. So guys, we're heading to Adidas. We're gonna look for some shoes and shirt. We're here at the Tanger Outlet Mall here in Maryland at National Harbor. So weather's kind of cool and oh, there they are. So andito pala yung dalawang lovebirds. Dito pala yung dalawang nag-hangout, nagde-date dito sa Outlet Mall, Tanger Outlet Mall. Ang sweet naman. Ay, ang daming langgam. Hoy.